Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to solve this problem, practice problem 3.5. Calculate the mesh currents I1 and I2 of the circuit of figure 3.19. Okay, we need to find the I1 and I2. Okay, for that we need to apply KVL at loop I1. Okay, we slightly move this above. Yeah, apply KVL at loop I1. Okay. We know that the Kirchhoff voltage law states that the algebraic sum of voltages around any closed loop is 0. Summation V is equal to 0. Okay. Yeah. Here the current I1 pass through initially minus. That's why we write minus 45 and then plus 2I1 and then plus 12 into I1 minus I2 because it's in the opposite direction, right? The other trick is in the most time the current which we have taken in the loop that will only be plus and another will be minus when it passes through the resistor. Okay, that's it. And then plus 4 I1 is equal to 0. Okay, and then I will slightly move this above minus 45 plus 2 plus 12 plus 4, that is 14 plus 4 18, 18 I1, and then it is minus 12 I2 is equal to 0. Okay, yeah, right. I will move this 45 to this side. Okay, 18 I1 minus 12 I2 is equal to 45. Okay, yeah. Yeah, guys, let us consider this as equation 1. I will move to this side and then here apply KVL to loop I2. Yeah, right? Yeah. We know that the algebraic sum of voltages around a closed loop is equal to 0. Yeah, right? Yeah. Here the initially the current passes through this place, right? So that 30 plus 3 I2 and then plus 12 I2 minus I1 plus 9 I2 is equal to 0. Yeah, right? And then let's simplify this. Okay. Yeah. It is 30 plus, yeah, 3 plus 12 plus 9. 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. Yeah, right. 24 I2. Right. And then it is minus 12 I1 is equal to 0. Okay. And here more this my 24 I2 and minus 12 I1 to this side. Okay. It will become 12 I1 minus 24 I2 is equal to 30. Let us consider this as equation 2. Let us write equation 1 and equation 2 here. Okay. 18 I1 minus 12 I2 is equal to 45. This is equation 1 and the second equation is 12 I1 minus 24 I2 is equal to 30, right? 12 I1 minus 24 I2 is equal to 30. This one is the equation. So I will open the calculator. Yeah. Click on mode setup and then click on equation and it is in the form of ANX plus BNY is equal to CN. Click on 1, it is 18 equals and then minus 12 equals and then 45 equals here it is 12 equals minus 24 equals and then 30 equals, and then again click on equals. Here the I1 is 2.5 amps. Okay, I1 is equal to 2.5 amps. Okay, and then I2 is equal to, open the calculator, 0 amps. Okay, write it here, 0 amps. I will put a box to it. I hope you understand how I solved this question. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Yeah, I hope you are seeing the complete step clearly. Yeah, let's see completely how I solve the problem. Okay, if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, share with your friends. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.